A very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is a solution of linear simultaneous equation by matrix method. For this I have considered here a simultaneous equation with two variables x and y. In previous lessons we have learned how to solve the simultaneous equations by matrix method or by Cramer's rule. But now we are going to solve this equation with the help of a matrix method. So for that, first we have to consider a coefficient matrix. Remember, this A is called coefficient matrix. And this coefficient matrix is nothing but it's a matrix of second order if the set of linear equation has two variables whose elements are the coefficients of x and y. Now here x means it is a column matrix whose elements are the variable, and B, again B is a column matrix whose elements are constants. Now this set of linear equation can be represented by this matrix Ax is equal to B. Okay, if you replace A, then you will get here A11, A12, A21, A22. And here was the value of xy. Here was the value of x matrix x and y. And here in right hand side we have column matrix B1 and B2. Now if you multiply this matrix A and x, then you will get A11x plus A12y. Again here A21x plus A22y, which is equal to B1 and B2. Now by the equality of matrices, you can say that this element is equal to the corresponding elements of other matrix. So from this you will get A11x plus A12y is equal to B1, and this element must be equal to this corresponding element. So here A21x plus A22y is equal to B2. So from this, can we get this set of linear equation? Yes. So this is the matrix notation of this linear simultaneous equation, where A is called the coefficient matrix, X is the a matrix, a column matrix whose elements are the variables, and B is a column matrix which has the element a constant terms of the linear simultaneous equation. Now this value of A will determine the system of linear equation is either consistent or not. Consistent means either we are able to find the value of x and y or not. So for that we have to remember few notes, in which note number 1 is, if the calculated value of determinant of A is not equal to 0, then system of linear equation is consistent and has unique solution, and that unique solution is x is equal to A inverse B. Note number 2, if determinant of A is equal to 0, moreover adjoint of A is also 0. Moreover adjoint of A into B is again 0, then system is consistent. Again, but has infinite solution. Here infinite solution means you can be able to get two or more than two values of x and y. So the value of x and y is not unique here in this second case. Now in third case, if the determinant of a is 0 but adjoint of a into b is not equal to 0, then system is inconsistent and has no solution.